Imagine an AI system that decides who gets hired, who gets a loan, or even who gets arrested. Now, imagine that system getting it wrong again and again because of you. If you're a data annotator, your labels, your attention to detail, can literally shape how fair or unfair AI becomes. No pressure, right? Just the fate of algorithmic justice resting on your mouse clicks. But here's the truth. The difference between a fair AI and a biased one often starts with poor data annotation. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine annotating images of doctors. If your data set only shows men in white coats, what do you think happens next? The AI starts to believe that doctors are men. That's not intelligence, it's inherited bias, disguised as truth. Now scale that error across millions of labels. Suddenly, facial recognition struggles with darker skin tones. Job-matching AIs skip over ethnic names. And healthcare bots misdiagnose people they were never trained to understand. But here's the scary part. It's not the algorithm's fault, it's ours. As annotators, when we rush, assume, or ignore context, we feed the system poisoned data. Every mislabeled image, every unchecked tag, every biased assumption becomes a seed of discrimination the AI can't unlearn. And before you think, well, I'm just one annotator, remember every revolution starts with one small action, and every broken AI starts with one careless label. But there's hope. Because just as bad data can break a system, good annotation can heal it. You hold the power to make AI fairer by questioning assumptions, by double-checking edge cases, by understanding context, not just content. Every correct label is an act of digital justice. Every accurate tag brings AI one step closer to equity. Think of yourself not as a data worker, but as a truth architect building the foundation on which the future of intelligence stands. Because here's the twist. The next generation of AI depends on how you annotate today. Click on the video on your screen, 5 mistakes to avoid in data annotation. It'll show you exactly what to fix before bias ever has a chance to begin.